Montego Bay businesswoman killed at her home. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A Montego Bay businesswoman was shot at her Bow Village home in St. James around 7:30 a.m. this morning. The deceased has been identified as 52-year-old Althea Graham Dolly, a former personal banker. Miss Dolly was shot multiple times by unknown assailants. She was transported to the Conrad Regional Hospital where she was later pronounced dead. Reports indicate that Graham Dolly was leaving her home to attend church when she was attacked. We'll have more details to come on this in a later newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.